Hello and welcome back to the Microsoft PowerPoint application course. In this video we will start looking at a new topic called the working and editing text. So we're going to be working with text and showing you how to edit it in PowerPoint. We already did some of those things before, but this time we'll be specifically focusing on them to show you some other insights. So in this particular video we will only look at the first three topics, which is showing you how to select some text, moving, copying and pasting text, and also using undo, redo and repeat commands. Okay, let's go and pull out our presentation one. So in order to do this, let's go to slide 2. And so you see that there's a number of texts already here. We showed you how to enter text in one of the videos. If you want to select the text here, so for example I go to end and I click on it, so you see a text placeholder, and only the text end is there. Now if I click on the edge of this placeholder, I have selected the text end, and anything I do to this, any instruction I execute now that affects a text will affect the end text. And if I want to maybe select a letter or the whole of this end in a different way, I can go in, click inside, there the insertion pointer is, and I can click my mouse and drag and select under the D. Or if I want to do that with 2 letters, I click, hold my mouse and do with the 2 letters. Or I can do the same, click, hold my mouse and 3. So we go to the next text placeholder, which is this one. So if I click here, you see that this is one big placeholder which for the text. So in the same way, if I want to select everything in this placeholder, I just click the handle here and it becomes tick. That means every text is selected. I can also just go into where I want to select. For example, only school. I'll just click the mouse, hold it and drag it, and only school. If I want to do the same to the car parts, click near it and go. In this way I can apply any effect on this particular text. Okay, so that is how you can select text, and we will be using this to do the next topic. So the next thing will be how you can copy and move text. So if I want to copy, for example, deal with the car within this placeholder, so I'm within this placeholder, text placeholder, I will go in, select the text, go to home, and I'll go to clipboard and find copy, click it. I will move to the location I want to put the text. So for example, if I want to put the text here, I will click there, and if I want to move it one step down, I press the enter key. It goes down one step, and I will go to home, I will go to paste, and there you go. So it puts the text, a copy of the text, and also moves one step down. Now if I want to copy, I can also copy an entire placeholder like this. So I can click here, or I can simply do this. So but let's click on the side of the placeholder, we go to home, we go to copy, and we can click outside, and we go to home, we go to paste, or maybe let's paste it in slide 3. So we go to slide 3, click on slide 3, go to home and paste. So you see it pasted it there, but because you have other placeholder, that's why it's mixing up. So I will select the placeholder for this, and I will delete it by pressing the delete key, and I can clearly see this one. Okay, so if I go back to slide 2, if I want to also copy the word school starts tomorrow and make it the title of slide 3, I can go and let's say select, copy, and go to slide 3, click inside here, and I click home, paste. Okay, and that's how you can copy both a block of text and other things. So if I want to move a text, what I can do is I click on the handle. Now I can click and hold it, click and hold, and I can drag, and I just go where I want, right? So this is moving a text placeholder with all the text in it. I can also reduce it, the text placeholder, and I can click on this text placeholder and I can maybe reduce it, and I can move it here. So you can do that. You can also move text as well within the placeholder. So if I select deal with the car again, and this time I will say home, and this time I'll say cart. So it takes it out, and I want to put it below this one. So I'll click here, and I'll press enter so that it comes down, and I'll click home, and I'll click paste. And I see it here, and I can say this is, I can just rename it to 1, and this is 2 to make a difference. And this is basically how you do copy and paste. Okay, so let's move this back again, and this is also how you do moving text. So the last thing we will do in this video is using the undo and redo button, which we already did. So if we want to do the undo the action we did, for example, let's copy this block of text. So I select it and I say copy, and I come in here. I will still keep it in the same slide. Now I'll go to home, paste. So I will move it away, because then it means I can create 2 placeholders. Reduce this one, and that is it. I can undo the action by going to undo, and then just click undo. So if I click undo, it will be removing all the things I just did, and you see, and it will undo the copy. And if I want it redone, I can just click redo again, something like that again. And that's why you work with undo and redo button. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.